Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram on your smartphone. Now tap to open any reel. Tap three dots from bottom right corner and here you will see auto scroll. Simply turn on auto scroll. That's it. Auto scroll enabled. Go back to reel. Once auto scroll enabled, reels will continue playing automatically without requiring a swipe. That's it. These are the steps to enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.